This is tutorial number 60, and it covers the variable radius fillet feature within CATIA v5. To start off, open up tutorial part number 59, which is located on the DVD. Now the variable radius fillet feature is found in the toolbar right here, or if you go to Insert, Dress Up Feature, Variable Fillet. So the difference between the edge fillet and the variable fillet is that the variable fillet will give you a bunch of points on the line, and from those points you're able to customize what the radius will be at each of those points, and then everything gets blended together. So to start off, what we're going to do is we're going to click a line and we're going to put a variable fillet on there. So let's click the variable fillet, and let's click this line right here. Now you can see that the difference already is that there's two endpoints shown, and they both have radiuses. Now you're able to adjust these radiuses, and you're also able to add points on this line. To add points, click the points icon down here. So click where it says 2 elements, and every time you click, you're going to be adding a point. And each of these points you're able to customize and change what the radius is going to be. And if you just click on the point, you're able to take it away. So on this one, let's just put 3 points. So I'm going to click and drag and move this point over, and we'll put it just around there. And what we're going to do is we're going to edit the radiuses. So just double click on the value. So at the ends we have 5. So we're going to leave that in the middle. Let's change it to 10. Click OK. And now let's see what we get. And you can see how we have a variable from 5 to 10 back to 5. Now let's go on the other side and let's do another one. So let's click this line here, click the variable radius, click the points, and let's throw another one in the middle. Now this time let's double click the one in the middle and let's make it much larger. So let's make it 20, and we'll make this one at the end here 5, and the one at this end here 5 also. Click OK and accept, and you'll see again that we've got another variable. So you can see that it goes from 5 to 20 and back up to 5. Now let's choose a longer line. So let's choose this line right here, and let's do some more variables. So let's click it and let's add 3 points. So 1 point there, 1 point there, and 1 point there. Now let's go and let's edit each of these. So what we're going to do though is we're going to keep 5 at either end. And for this guy here, let's make him 10. We'll make this guy here 2. And we'll make this guy here 20. Click OK. And let's accept. And again, you'll see that we have more blending of all the different variable radiuses as it goes along the line. Now, say you have a line right here, and let's try to blend it down to 0, and you're able to do that with the variable radius too. So we're going to have, say, like a 0 here, 10 in the middle, and then a 0 at the end again, and this gives you a nice, really nice flow and nice flush look to your radius. So let's click it, and let's click 1 point in the middle. That's going to be 20, and the edges here, let's make them 0, and this one here, let's make it 0. Click OK, and you'll see how we can go from 20 and taper it down to 0. So this is just another way that the variable radius that you'd be able to apply into your design. Many times I've had to use something such as this. Now, not to this degree that it's from 20 down to 0, but slowly going around, and your variable radius fillet is going to go down to 0. At a point, it's just going to disappear. So to do that, you're going to have to use the variable radius fillet. And that concludes our tutorial on how to use the variable radius fillet feature within CATIA v5.